This court is never personal against anybody. What do you mean to say expression?
Yes. I have the preliminary objection regarding maintainability of the writ petition.
Maintainability of it.
Maintainability of the writ petition.
May I kindly produce your lordship's last order? Your lordship specifically asked them to produce the sanction plan with regard to
Act
construction.
whom?
The respondent number 11.
All right.
No, that was not your lordship recorded that time was paid for produce the your lordship recorded sanction plan for raising construction of the additional floor, but we have constructed with the sanction plan to record. But there is an order of the executive engineer, that is October 2023, and that one additional floor has been constructed. Your lordship recorded that also in your lordship's earlier order. But for that, we have papered appeal and the BT appeal is pending. 31st May. But 31st May is the next date. I will humbly submit with your lordship, suppressing this proceeding.
Which proceeding?
This proceeding before
Which
the
proceeding?
corporation. Before the corporation.
Which proceeding?
Proceeding under section 400, subsection 1. Order is there, appeal is there. They have not disclosed.
No, it has disclosed. It is recorded BT appeal number 194.
No, that is recorded in your lordship's order.
Yes.
In your lordship's order. So the proceeding is
Show
going
me
on.
the plan according to which you made the additional floor. Additional floor.
Additional floor is the allegation in the order of the executive committee.
Do you say that the unauthorized floor is not there?
There is
Additional floor.
no additional floor. Some deviation is there.
No. Tell me first about the additional floor. No, don't show it to me. I won't see. Tell me whether any additional floor has been constructed or not.
I have to take instruction.
The report of the corporation says so.
Report of the corporation is not there. The order probably the report has not been served upon us. We don't know what is the report. The report against my interest is not required to serve upon me.
This is report of. This is a spot inspection report.
Yes, even then.
Yes.
If I am going to adversely affected by that report, I have every right.
Adversely
to
affected?
Yes.
What does adversely affect mean?
If I can satisfy the authorities,
yes,
in my appeal,
yes,
that my construction is not so that demolition is to be effected, but under the proviso it can be regularized, then my lord, if the
regularization of additional floors being constructed.
Yes, 2 additional floors. I appear before your lordship. 2 additional floors they are regularized.
Show me the provision for regularization of additional floors constructed without any sanction.
There is provision for regularization of deviation.
Does deviation mean construction of unauthorized floors?
That would be decided by the authority concerned.
Which authority? Which authority?
By the authority under section 400.
The authority has already passed an order.
Yes, that proceeding is continue in the appeal.
Let me see once what is there. The site has been inspected. No.
One additional floor is recorded in the and appeal pending is also recorded.
Even after passing the order of demolition, the persons concerned are continuing with the.
I have taken specific instruction to that. Specific instruction in the morning also. But if this is the fact, I will not appear before loss. I can assure your loss. That is not the correct. That is not the correct.
That what the KMC has just now submitted before lordship, that is the truth.
That is the
truth.
All right.
Lordship kindly sees page 20. They have submitted that the additional floor was the 4th floor. That transfers from their submission as well from the KMC report.
Right.
Kindly sees the picture. This is a G plus 5-storied building standing. There are 2 additional floors. One was before the notice and one has been constructed during the pendency of the proceedings. G plus 5-storied building and the 6th floor is being constructed now. page 20,
Page
21.
20.
এইটা করে দাও তো, ব্যালকনি ধরো।
How many floors?
One,
G.
two,
G plus
three,
5.
four.
1, 2, 3, 4. G plus 4.
There is a ground floor beneath that. This is the first floor, second, third, fourth, fifth. G plus 5.
There is a ground floor
Yes,
also.
beneath that, which is covered by the boundary wall.
Oh, I see.
So that cannot be looked. But I have the original photograph. It will be clear. If your lordship wants to peruse, I
No,
can
no,
show
it's all right.
you. This is a G plus 5-story construction, and one additional floor was constructed during pendency of this proceeding under 400.
কতটা বলবে না?
Initially, there was one fourth floor was additional. Now it is fifth floor.
No,
has
but
been
then it says construction up to the G plus 4 floor, and sanction was obtained for constructing how many floors? G plus 3?
G plus 3 লর্ডশিপ।
That is their submission. G plus 3. There are two additional floors.
2 additional floors.
One, when the inspection was made, thereafter 401 proceeding was initiated. During the pendency of such proceeding.
Show me
this
the
has-
provision of law.
Report doesn't show.
Show the picture shows. Show
No,
me
no, Malad, the report lordship can
the
listen.
picture shows.
Picture, Malad, as I can go through the picture, I get G plus 4.
4.
Yes.
Page 20. Are you there at page 20?
I'm at page 2.
Please count the floors.
Lordship, G.
G, where is the G?
1 balcony, 2 balcony, 3 balcony, 4 balcony.
Where is the
Ground
G?
floor.
Where is the G? Which one is the G?
Well, this is the G.
No.
Sorry,
below
sir.
that- Below that is the G.
You must remove the glasses that you are wearing, right?
I'm sorry, Malad, I should not appear before your lordship. Malad, your lordship is
Your
taken
choice.
personally.
No, no.
Yes, yes, yes,
Nothing
yes, yes,
personal.
yes.
Mr.
I must
Debormon,
move my
I-
glass.
you glasses means regarding the matter. There is nothing personal between the litigant and the court.
This is the personal.
There is
personal
nothing
statement to
personal.
me.
Sorry, sir. There must be a limit.
Yes, there should be a limit for both the
Exactly.
sides.
Where is the photograph? You see, this one is the first floor. This is the ground floor.
Malad, I will see the report with this photograph with this report.
Absolutely. See
Yes.
it with the report.
Yes.
Where is the colored photograph that you are showing? Just show it to your learned senior
I've
friend.
shown it to his junior. I have shown it.
No, no, show it to the senior also. Please see. Please see.
Second is zoom করে। This is the ground floor. First. No, it's boundary wall.
It is not possible for me standing like the court. I will identify whether this building is mine, building is not.
Oh, now you say that this building is not yours.
No, it is not possible. Malad. He will. Annex one thing, report will come. Malad, he will show another thing.
Is
How I will
is
assess
he
the
showing
report?
something else?
I don't
is he
know
showing-
what he is showing.
Check up from the photograph. You have the photograph in front
Yes,
of you.
Yes, I have the photograph in front of me.
Yes. And is this not the photograph that he is showing?
I have taken specific instruction from my client, even in the morning,
Yes.
whether he has Malad constructed G plus 4 or G plus 5.
Right.
Malad, my instruction is that no, G plus 4.
G plus 4.
Instead of G plus 3, G plus 4. He is
Plus
now
4.
coming with Malad,
Very well. Please
Yeah,
bring the
me-
photograph. It is your client, your building. Please bring the photograph from
Lordship-
the ground to the top. How many floors are there?
Yes.
Right. Let
Yes.
us see. Please come.
And Malad, your lordship will record my submission that I am opposing the Malad maintainability of the petition because the
Not-
similar proceeding is going before the statutory authority.
Please open the order. Learned advocate representing the private respondent opposes the maintainability of the writ petition before this court.
Lordship,
It has been specifically submitted that a statutory appeal is pending before the appellate forum,
Lordship,
and accordingly the writ petition will not be maintainable.
Lordship,
Happy?
Lordship.
Yes. Don't make this type of submission, Mr. Debormon. You have known me from the very first day I'm there in this
That is my
profession.
problem, Malad, for last few months.
This is
For a
this
particular
is
case.
you have known
And,
me
your lo-
from the
your
very
lordship also
first
know
day
me.
in the profession.
Yes. That is
So
my
don't
problem.
make any type
For
of
last few
submission.
months, Malad, I am requesting my
this
juniors
is
not to
never-
touch me.
This court is never personal against anybody.
But your lordship statement, today's
Yes.
statement,
What does this mean? You should know. If there is a problem to understand the language, it's a foreign language. Neither do I know it properly, neither do you know it properly. It is all right. But that does not mean
there is
that
no
I am
problem with
accusing
Malad
you personally.
understanding the language.
Please don't. No, there you have to understand what the court means.
Lordship, kindly consider your lordship's expression when I am appearing before
Yeah.
lordship.
What do you mean to say expression?
Yes.
I have to wear a mask now so that you cannot see what my
No,
expression is.
Lordship always agitating against me. I can't understand what is the reason.
Sorry, sir. Please do
For
not
few
take it that
months.
way. Please do not take it that way. It is never so. And none of the advocates have come up with any such allegation that the court is agitated when somebody is appearing. It is never so.
Well, for few months, it is my experience.
It must be your wrong impression. Do not reel with such impression that the court is agitated with you. It is never so. It is never so. It's a pleasure to hear the advocates before this court. It is never so. Actually, no, it will be there. It will be there. From the report filed by the engineers of the corporation, signed on 3rd of April 2024, with regard to the construction made at G, Dehi and Tally Road, Ward number 55, Borough 6 of the Kolkata Municipal Corporation. It appears that RCC framed structure has been constructed up to the G+4 story. The report mentions that the additional 4th floor was constructed upon encroaching upon the, by encroaching upon the mandatory side open spaces. Stop. A stop work notice was issued on 27th of June 2023 under section 401 of the KMC Act 1980 with intimation to the Entally police station. A demolition sketch was prepared, an infringement statement placed before the higher authority to process the file under section 400 of the KMC Act 1980. Hearing was held in the chamber of the executive engineer within bracket civil/building/borough 6. And an order of demolition has been passed on 15th of September 2023. Stop. Recent inspection revealed that the person responsible started construction work beyond the demolition sketch, defying all previous departmental action, and the demolition order dated 15th of September 2023. Stop. Next. The learned advocate for the petitioner refers to the photograph of the construction at page 20 of the writ petition. Stop. It has been submitted that the construction is G+5 stories. Paragraph. Learned advocate representing the petitioner asserts that the construction is of G+4 story level. Paragraph. Let recent photograph be placed before this court from where it can be identified as to how many floors have been constructed at the subject premises. Stop.